What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video where I'm going to show you some tips and tricks about Airbnb, especially when you are a beginner. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment down below if you have any questions. But without further ado, let's jump into it. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a cleaning fee. Okay, now there are really two different ways to do this. All right, and I'm going to show you the best way and the way that I do things. So let's jump in. So what you want to do at the very beginning is you want to go to your calendar. So you want to log into your host account. Hopefully you know how to do that. If not, you better message me and we got bigger fish to fry. But you're going to hit calendar, okay, once you're logged into your host account, and then just select your listing. So I'll select one here, okay. And once you're here, on the calendar page, okay, what you want to do is you want to go to the right here settings. If you're on your mobile phone, there will be a little gear icon at the top, all right, and you'll want to click on that. And then once you hit that, you're going to scroll down, okay, and you're going to hit fees where it says cleaning fees. Now, if you put a cleaning fee of just the per stay, all right, then that is only going to really, I think, anything that's over 3 days, okay? So what you want to do is you want to put a cleaning fee in for a long stay and a short stay. That's what I do. Here's why. People that are staying 1 or 2 nights are not going to pay. I mean, maybe they will if you have like a really, really nice place, but if the nightly rate is like $125, they're not going to pay $125, $150, $200 for a cleaning fee. Maybe they will, but trust me, my experience says otherwise. So what I do is I put a lower rate for that a 1 night or 2 night stay. Obviously, this is based on your cleaning team and how you guys operate your business and all that stuff. But if you're cleaning your own place, then this is a great way to do it, or if you have your own team. All right. So the per short stay is for 1 and 2 night stays, and then the per stay is for anything that's beyond, is basically 3 nights and longer. All right. And so you'll want to just put in your rate here. Okay. Put the number in, press save, and then do the same thing for your short stay as well. So anyways, hopefully that helps you. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. Once again, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment in the comment section below if you guys have questions. We'll see you in the next video.